Flexibility isn't just for athletes. It's for everyone, no matter your age, background, or fitness level. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or someone who spends hours at a desk, flexibility plays a crucial role in your daily comfort and movement. Think of your body like a rubber band. Stiff bands snap under pressure, but flexible ones bend and move with ease. When your muscles and joints are supple, you're less likely to get hurt, even during simple activities. Flexibility keeps your muscles healthy, your joints mobile, and helps you avoid injuries in daily life. It's the foundation for pain-free movement, whether you're reaching for something on a high shelf or going for a walk. Simple things, tying your shoes, playing with your kids, or even getting up from the floor, become easier and more enjoyable when your body can move freely. Good flexibility improves posture, boosts your confidence, and helps you stand tall. It can even make you feel lighter and more energetic throughout the day. It doesn't matter how old you are, flexibility keeps your body feeling young and vibrant. It's never too late to start, and every little bit helps. Sitting all day? Your muscles get tight, your back aches, and your body feels stiff. Regular stretching can counteract these effects, making you feel more comfortable and relaxed. Stretching is like a self-massage, releasing tension, improving blood flow, and making you feel better both physically and mentally. For fitness lovers, flexibility means deeper squats, better lifts, faster recovery, and fewer injuries. It's the secret weapon behind every strong, resilient body. It's not about doing splits overnight, it's about small, consistent efforts that add up over time. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Listen to your body, be patient, and you'll get stronger, healthier, and more flexible with every stretch. Flexibility is a long-term investment in your health, supporting your body through every stage of life. Are you ready to unlock this hidden power and discover what your body is truly capable of? Let's start this journey together, one stretch at a time. Now, let's explore a simple but powerful stretch that anyone can do. Transition to next scene. The Pike Stretch is simple but powerful. Sit on the floor, legs straight, and reach forward from your hips toward your feet. This stretch targets your hamstrings, lower back, and calves, areas that get tight from sitting. Regular Pike stretching relieves back pain and improves posture. It's a foundation for flexibility in almost every activity: lifting, running, yoga. The Pike Stretch also calms your mind as you focus on breathing and relaxing. Better hamstring flexibility means safer workouts and a longer stride when you run. It's not just a stretch, it's a tool to unlock your body's potential. Ready to try it? Let's break it down step by step. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you perform the Pike Stretch safely and effectively, whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your flexibility. Start by sitting on the floor with your legs extended straight out in front of you. Make sure your legs are together and your feet are flexed, pointing your toes up toward the ceiling. Sit up as tall as you can, lengthening your spine and reaching the crown of your head toward the sky. Imagine creating space between each vertebra. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs. As you exhale, begin to hinge forward from your hips, not your waist, keeping your back as straight as possible to protect your spine. Reach your hands forward, aiming for your shins, ankles, or feet, wherever you can comfortably reach without straining. It's perfectly fine if you can't touch your toes yet. As you settle into the stretch, you should feel a gentle pull along the back of your legs, especially in your hamstrings and calves. Avoid bouncing or forcing the movement. Hold the position, letting your neck and shoulders relax. Focus on taking slow, deep breaths to help your muscles release tension. Stay in the stretch for at least 30 seconds or up to a full minute if you feel comfortable. The longer you hold, the more your flexibility can improve over time. With every exhale, see if you can gently relax a little deeper into the stretch, but always listen to your body and never push past your limits. To come out of the stretch, slowly walk your hands back toward your body and gently sit up, keeping your movements controlled and mindful. Shake out your legs to release any remaining tension and take a moment to notice how your body feels, more relaxed, open, and refreshed. Practice this stretch regularly, and you'll notice steady progress in your flexibility and comfort. That's your perfect Pike Stretch. Want to improve your Pike? Whether you're working toward a deeper forward fold or just want to boost your overall flexibility, adding the right stretches to your routine can make a big difference. Add these stretches to your routine to help lengthen your muscles and increase your range of motion. Try a standing forward fold. Hinge at your hips, keeping your spine long and your knees soft if needed. Let your upper body hang heavy, relaxing your neck and shoulders to deepen the stretch. Feel your hamstrings lengthen as you breathe deeply. Next, move into downward facing dog. Start from your hands and knees, then lift your hips up and back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Press your heels gently toward the floor, feeling a stretch through your calves and hamstrings. For a deeper stretch, pedal your feet one at a time. Try a single leg stretch. Lying on your back, hug one knee in close to your chest, then straighten that leg toward the ceiling, keeping your other leg relaxed on the floor. This helps isolate each hamstring. For a seated single leg stretch, sit with one leg straight, the other foot against your inner thigh, and gently fold forward over your extended leg. These stretches target your hamstrings and lower back in different ways, helping you build flexibility and prevent injury. Practice them regularly, ideally several times a week, to see faster progress and lasting results. Now, let's talk about staying safe while you stretch, so you can keep making gains without setbacks. Never stretch cold muscles, always warm up first. 5 minutes of light activity, jumping jacks, jogging in place or arm circles, gets your blood flowing. Dynamic stretches prepare your body for deeper, static stretches like the pike. Avoid bouncing in the stretch. Hold steady and breathe deeply. Listen to your body. A good stretch feels like a gentle pull, not pain. Consistency is key. Stretch a little every day for the best results. Make stretching part of your daily routine, morning or evening. Be patient. Flexibility takes time, but every bit of progress counts. Celebrate your improvements and keep going. You're building a healthier, more flexible body. 17.